Some artists work with paint on canvas, others with stone or sound. Jim Gibbs, a renowned landscape architect, chose a different medium, 300 acres of rolling North Georgia hills. Welcome to Gibbs Gardens, located on Yellowcreek Road in Bull Ground. This is not just a collection of plants, it is a masterpiece of living art, decades in the making. It is the life's work of its creator, who traveled the world holding the vision for this very place. What started as his private estate is now one of the nation's largest residential gardens, a world-class destination open for all to enjoy. Your journey begins with this first, breathtaking view. This is the first pond you encounter, a stunning introduction to the garden's soul. It serves as a living canvas, where the sky itself washes across the water surface. And on that canvas floats a spectacular collection of water lilies, their jewel-toned blossoms open to the sun, each one a perfect brushstroke of color. The first pond after the entrance to Gibbs Gardens features a bronze fish sculpture fountain. This is a centerpiece in the fountain's garden. This pond is an invitation. It's a threshold, asking you to step out of the ordinary and into the artist's dream. Here, you are encouraged to pause, to breathe, and to see the world as Jim Gibbs does, as a place of intentional beauty and harmony. This bridge is the perfect vantage point, not just to look down at the lilies, but to look up and out. From here, your eye is drawn to the magnificent trees that frame this scene. They are a promise of what lies beyond, a hint of the world-famous Japanese maples, which are part of the largest Japanese garden in the nation, residing just steps away. This tranquil pond is just the opening chapter of an epic story, a 300-acre masterpiece waiting to be explored.